Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. Day 2, Demo Class 2 on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So I'm just waiting for other participants to join team. We have close to 70 plus enrollments yesterday, but some of them probably uh, not joined today. Might be they're following the recording. So let me start the session for today, team. Already we waited for 5 minutes. So I request everyone from tomorrow, please join the session on time by 7 o'clock, team, so that we can able to complete the session on time by 8 o'clock. Okay. So let me start the session for today. So in yesterday's demo, what we have discussed, team, about this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application, I explained you, first of all, introduction to ERP. What is ERP? For what purpose this ERP technologies will be used in the market? And what are the different products available in the market under this ERP family? That we have seen here, team. And we spoke about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. Like when Oracle introduced these Fusion applications in the market, prior to Fusion, what are the ERP applications having in the market and what Oracle did prior to Fusion? These all we have seen in this what is Fusion application and evaluation overview team. And then we discussed types of companies involved, like who is the vendor, who is called as client or the customer, and who is the consulting company. And once we learn this technology, where we will be working, we have seen here, team. And then I introduce it to you Fusion environment releases, like in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, what is the version they came up with? Since then, how it got evolved, and what is the upgradation policy that Oracle will follow yearly, quarterly, I told, right, team? And what is the versioning sequence that they will be following? These things we discussed here, team, in the Fusion environment releases. And then I explained you modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, like what all modules we have in this technology, team. Here, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and as part of this program, what we are covering. Okay. And also we discussed what type of roles we have in this technology in the market: functional, technical, techno-functional, what is having good scope. That all I explained you here, team. And then I explained you career opportunities in this technology for freshers, how it is for experienced people, or from other domains or non-IT experiences. If you are planning to move, I told you you are eligible to learn this course because this is going to be completely zero coding application, team. That we discussed here. And then I concluded the yesterday's session by why to choose TrioTech software trainings, team. I mean to say, what are the course features and placement assistance that we are going to provide you. With this, I concluded yesterday's demo session. So in today's session, team, I'm going to continue with the concepts that which we left out, team. What are they? Yesterday, we supposed to see these two things also: Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process. These two concepts we have to see in yesterday's session, team. But due to time constraints, I have not covered that. Till career opportunities and course offerings only I have taken, team. So in today's session, we are going to see these two things, and also I will introduce to you the Fusion applications, team, like how the Fusion application look and like, how we can access the Fusion application, some basic home screen functionalities that we will be talking in today's session, team. Now, the very first topic for today, Oracle Knowledge Repository. What do you mean by Oracle Knowledge Repository, team? See, As part of this training program, we are going to provide you the standard materials that I told you here. For all the enrolled participants yesterday, we have shared the emails. Drive folder also you will be getting today, team, after the class sometime. Already, I think video access, the course dashboard, I mean to say, portal access been shared with everyone who enrolled yesterday, right? I can see all the enrolled participants in the class. You all received the email yesterday, team, related to server and the material you will be getting in the WhatsApp community today. So yesterday, what I told you, for every module, we will be providing the custom materials, team. On top of this, if you want to access standard Oracle documents, team, okay, where you have to go and where you have to find out, that we will see, team, because at any point of time you might be in a situation to explore Oracle documents also. So where you can find Oracle standard documents, team. And also, I was telling you yesterday, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months they will upgrade the application, and during that time I told you Oracle will release the release notes, team. It means in this upgrade, what new enhancement, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, Oracle will be giving the release notes, team. So as a implementation consultant working in this technology, you should be aware of all those activities, team. Whatever the whatever the upgrade enhancements Oracle bringing in the system, that all you should be knowing, team. So where you can access that standard documentation, simple, go to internet, okay? Go to any browser, just type as Oracle repository. Just type as Oracle repository, team. Okay. You will land upon this page. The very first link, Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Applications, team. Click on that. You will land upon this page, team. Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Application. Here, search by product. Ours is cloud applications. Click on cloud applications, team. Now you will land upon this page, Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. So here, team, you will land upon docs.oracle.com. Means all the documents that which Oracle providing across all their Fusion applications, you can able to see here, team. See, ERP, like we have financials, Oracle Fusion Financials, Accounting Hub, Procurement, then supply chain, SCM. See, team, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, team. This is our HR related software application. But under Oracle Fusion, Oracle providing different products, team. If you go through this for your information purpose, team, Oracle Fusion applications, product family. See, this is our product, Human Capital Management, HCM. Similarly, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM Cloud, Project Portfolio Management. We have different other products also available, team. So when you come to this Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, all applications under Fusion that Oracle offering, you can able to check it out, team. This is supply chain, this is financials, procurement, this is our HCM. So come to HCM, team, and go to human resources here. Okay, then you will land upon this human resources page, team. On the left hand side, you have something called, team, all books. Okay, so if you want to access the Oracle documents, team, we should go to all books here. Come to all books, and then, team, you can filter. Okay, what books you want. You want implementation guides, admin guides, user guides, what you want. You can check it out, team. I want implementation guides, how to implement the module I want to learn. So choose implementation team across all the modules. See, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. For payroll, again, localization will be their team, country to country, their documents, whatnot, time and labor. Every module documents you can able to find out here, team. So just you can go here, click on this PDF team, so that you will land upon that document. See, 392 page document team. This is for global HR module implementation. All the information team, every concept in core HR module with an explanation, you can able to find out, team. So Oracle for every module prepared the documents team and embedded in the open source. We have to access the documents like this, team. Come to Oracle repository, then come to Fusion applications and human resources team and all books, and you can filter with implementation. So next, if you want absence management team, click on this PDF. So this is absence management document. This is downloadable also. You can even download these documents also, team. So standard documents, if you want to access, this is the place you have to come in, team. But at the initial time, I don't suggest you to go through this documents, team. You follow our custom materials because that will be very easy to understand. Here you are having 400 pages document for core HR. We crisped that to 130 page document and with a user friendly understanding, team. See, yesterday I have shown you, right? For our core HR, one of the sample material folder I have shown you. See, this is for my core HR module, team. This is on a very easy, understandable English in our day-to-day what we speak. In that way, we prepared, team, with screenshots, navigations, everything. So you can rely upon our materials, but on top of that, if you want to access Oracle documents, this is the approach. Now, don't be in the impression that Kumar working for Oracle for quite some time, so Oracle logins and all Kumar is having, for that only he could able to access. No, I came to docs.oracle.com. If I come to the right side, Oracle accounts cursor, if I keep here, team, it is asking me to sign up now. Did I signed in to any of the Oracle site? No, it's an open source team, but people don't know that. They feel that only Oracle employees can access, or people who working with Oracle, only they will be accessing. No, it's an open source to everyone, team. In the internet, the right path you should know, where to go and what to search. So this is a open source in the system, team. Okay. So this is all books here, right? This is all books here. And then, team, if you want to access any videos that Oracle given, team, I mean like any new features or some existing features also, team, short bites, videos and bite-sized learning means 2 minutes, 3 minutes, short videos Oracle will embed. If you want to explore them, you can even explore them, team. Just a second, team. Someone annotating on the screen, I request please don't annotate, team, because the screen is getting 1 second, or else just I will disable that. Yeah, great. Right, team. So here you can able to access the videos and all, team, module wise. If you want to filter, team, see, you can filter. Let's say any absence module related, filter with absence. If any short videos Oracle embedded, then benefits. Okay, like this, you can able to access them, team. And then the most important part here is, team, quarterly upgradation release notes. Means what, team? Every time when Oracle upgrading the application, Oracle will release the document, team. In this release, these are the enhancements we are going to bring in the system, where you can access here. Above all books, we have cloud readiness and what's new. So go to cloud readiness and what's new, team. And then on the left hand side, all the products of Oracle you can see. Supply chain, then enterprise resource planning, that is financials, HCM, sales, service. You can able to check out, team. So select our human capital management team. And here you can select, team, what what all module related things you want. This is for core human resource team. This is payroll. This is talent management. And these are absence, time and labor. We are in 24C, I told you yesterday. Correct, team? Now, next release is what team in the year? We entered October today only. The next release is what I told you, 24D. Last quarterly upgrade in this year. Next quarter upgrade is 24D. Here you can check out team. See, when you come to cloud readiness team, latest is the filter. Okay. If you want to check out in 24C, 24B, filter with previous team. If not, filter with latest. Latest everywhere you are seeing 24D. See, human resource, 24D, benefits and benefits module, compensation module. This is human resource, means global HR. What's new 24D? So go to this 24D for human resource team. On the left hand side, you can able to find out team. If you come to human resource, in this human resource module, okay, what all features Oracle bringing in, you can able to check out him. See, if I select that feature, auto provision areas of responsibilities improvements, this is one feature. Or in document records team, see, personalized Redwood mass download of documents using business rule, some new functionality team. What is that? What are the steps we have to follow? On which screen, which functionality is getting impacted, like this team. This is very important. I'm not telling just for fun. Any consultant who is working, particularly to my students, I will say this is very important team. Why? Because when you are working in the real time, every 3 months, when Oracle coming up with upgrade to the application, Oracle will try to add some new functionalities in the system team. It's our responsibility to explore what are the enhancements Oracle bringing in, and we have to share with the client. See, in this release, these new functionalities in this module Oracle bringing. If we want to use in the business, we can use it. Like that, we have to share with the client team. Not only that, from your knowledge perspective, you should also grow along with the application. I will say always team. Means what? If application is developing, if application is evolving, you should also get upskilled on a timely manner. So every 3 months, once you come to this release notes, have a quick walkthrough on them. Just you will understand team. Acha, okay. In this page, this new functionality Oracle bringing in. Like that, you can explore team. So for every module here, for every module, this is core HR, we are seeing team. Within core HR also, all the sections you can check out. If you explore team, each section, if you select that one, see, associate legal employer with a job. So what is that? Then what are the steps we have to enable for having that one? On which page that particular functionality Oracle bringing in. So like this team, for every module, Oracle will provide the release notes team. So we have to come to what's new or the cloud readiness option team, and then we can filter here all modules. This is for core HR. For compensation module you want to explore. For benefits module you want to explore. Or for payroll module you want to explore. Come here, go there, find out the document. This is for payroll team. I'm talking about next release, not yet came as of now in the system. We are in 24C only. 24D will come in next 15-20 days in the October month. So what all coming in that release? See, in payroll. So all the sections team, payroll, if I expand, see, this is the new feature coming in. Change hire date, payroll calculation entry. So you can now change the hire date when employee has calculation entry such as absence entry. Then what are the steps to enable? This is by default feature team. Then add new input values to existing element. So what is that functionality is about? Everything with a very detailed basic English only, Oracle giving the release notes team. So this is something, a 10-star market concept in real time, not even 5-star team. You have to make a habit. If client asking you or not, doesn't matter. As a consultant, if you want to be in the industry for the long time, you have to make a habit. Every 3 months, once come here, Just walk through on all the aspects team. In each module, what are the enhancements Oracle bringing in, so that your mind or you will be up to date with what happening in the system. Okay. So this is about team Oracle's knowledge repository. So accessing Oracle standard documents in the system, right team? Now we will talk about Oracle certification process. Why I'm talking about this team? Some of the participants, usually prior to attending yesterday's demo, and even in yesterday's when I'm taking yesterday's calls, when I'm taking calls with the students team, some people asking me, particularly experienced people, Kumar, what is the certification process in Oracle Fusion application? Or do we have to, I mean, like once after we complete the training, do we require to do the certification? Is it mandatory? These all type of questions I'm getting team. Let me briefly share with you my thoughts on Oracle certification process team. Like, what is the approach you have to follow? What is the examination cost, how to book the exam, what is the pattern of the exam, and the main question, is it really required to do, particularly in India? Let us see about that team. See, unlike every other technology team, Oracle also conducting the certification exam team. But the point to be noted very strictly here is team, when it comes to Oracle certification team, okay, when it comes to Oracle certification team, Oracle not providing the certificate for the entire product. This is our product, okay, application, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application team. For entire application, we don't have a certification team. Within the application, what are all the modules we have? For each module, we have the certification team. We have core HR module. We have a core HR module certification, absence management module certification, payroll management module. So individual module wise, we have the certifications available team. Don't be in the impression that for entire Oracle Fusion HCM, I can do certification. No, module wise Oracle offering team. For example, core HR module you take team, or global HR module you take. So we have a certification exam for this, something like this team. Oracle Global, okay, Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. This is the examination name team. What is that? Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. There will be examination code IZO 1046 / we are in 2024. This is the examination code team for core HR. Then if you take absence management team, for that you have an examination name like Oracle absence management. Okay. Actually, Oracle Fusion, it will be there. Oracle Fusion, okay, absence management cloud implementation specialist. Okay, like that we have. And for this, you have a code team IZO 1054 or something is there. The code exactly I can't remember, but there is examination code. So for every module team, Oracle will be conducting the certification exam. So how you have to apply for that? What is the examination pattern that Oracle will follow team? See, basically, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson team. Many of us know. If anyone have a prior experience in writing the exams of Pearson test or any English proficiency test for our abroad studies or for PR, we have Pearson test centers available across all the cities team. So Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. So if you search here also, you can find out team, this one, Pearson View. If you go here team, you can apply for your exam team. So this is the examination partner for Oracle team. On behalf of Oracle, this particular company will be conducting the exams. Prior to COVID team, only physical examinations are available. Means what? We should go to Pearson test centers across all the cities. We will be having this team. We have to book the exam and we have to write the exam by sitting there. But post COVID, Oracle conducting both the ways. Physical office, I mean, you have to go to the office and you have to write, or else you can book your examination slot online and you can write the exam by sitting in your home team. But that will be monitored. So you have to go to pearsonview.com, search with your examination team and check the available slot, pay the fee, and you can book your exam team. Now, what is the cost incurred for each module team? For each module, now it is close to 23,000, okay, plus applicable taxes team for each module. Each module, Oracle charging, that is for Oracle University, you have to pay. When you are booking the exam in this VU Pearson website team, you have to pay this examination fee for each module team. For core HR, 23,000. For absence, like that team, 23,000 plus applicable taxes. And this is a non-refundable amount. If you are booking an exam, you are writing the exam, unfortunately you failed in that, amount will not be refunded. Only one attempt you will be having team. So, okay. And what is the examination pattern and what is the pass percentage team? See, till 2022, we have completely MCQs. MCQs means what team? Multiple choice questions. For every module, we used to have team 80 to 100 multiple choice questions team. Question with 4 options A, B, C, D. That was the pattern team. And negative marking also we used to have. And the pass percentage was 70% team at least. But from last year team, Oracle made their examination pattern slightly complex. What they are doing, along with MCQs, they are giving some scenarios team and they are giving the application access and asking to configure then and there itself. So this is something interesting came from last year onwards team. For earlier, we don't have that. I mean, prior to 2023. From last year 23 onwards team, some MCQs and some scenarios Oracle giving. So now the examination pattern team, MCQs plus scenarios. So there will be giving a scenario and the application access they will give there. In that you have to configure and you have to complete that team. So now the examination pattern changed accordingly team. And the negative marking will be there. This is the examination fee. For this certification, if anyone want to apply and you want to clear, from our side, we will provide with the dumps. Dumps means what team? Already the question and answers readily available with us team for every module. Whatever the module you want to apply, you can let us know. We can help you out. Maximum 80 to 90% same questions will come in your exam team. But 10% questions might be changed here and there. You have to sensibly answer. It means after the training, you will be in a situation to answer that. So this is about team certification process. People who are already working in IT companies, okay, in some other domains, if you are working, you please go and check with your manager. Usually companies on behalf of you will bear the cost of certification team. They will give you free coupons where you can book the exam and you can write team. Companies will bear your cost. Particularly only IT company people who are already in IT in other domains working, now planning to switch to Fusion. You can check with your manager and you can apply for the certification and you can write. First important thing, is it mandatory, Kumar? Absolutely not mandatory team. Absolutely not mandatory, particularly in India. See, in US, in some other countries, same, there the region or the industry is more fascinated towards certified professionals team. But in India, as such, if you ask me, certification is not a mandatory in Oracle Fusion Cloud application. It doesn't make any sense. When you drop the resume in the Naukri portal team, If you are certified or not doesn't matter. Until unless you proven in the interview, the offer will not get released at team. So certification is not a mandatory thing. You can please ignore it straight away. But anyone having any particular requirement in your company or in your professional way you want, then you can go and write team. Once you join the organization team, when you are mapped to projects, when you are switching from one project to another project team, sometimes the project might expect team only certified professionals to be working on their project. During that time, your manager will insist you to complete the certification team, or else every year when performance appraisals given to you, your manager might evaluate you on basis of what certifications you have done in that year, like that. Only for this purpose certifications will be used team, or else the role of getting the job by doing certification is a not that's not the acceptable thing team. Until unless that we proven in the interview, we will not be selected. Okay, just having a tag of Oracle certified implementation specialist doesn't help you out team. But if you want, after getting into the organization also, you can do it as per the situational requirement. Now I will tell, don't get into pressurized, or don't get into all these things. Don't get pressurized about the certification team. Okay, so this is actually the process that how examination will be conducted by Oracle team. So this is the website we have to go, view Pearson, and we can able to book the exam team. So these are the things we supposed to discuss yesterday. That is Oracle's knowledge repository and Oracle certification process. Now team, let me introduce to you the Fusion applications. When any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered. What I was telling you yesterday team, our applications are Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, right? Our technology is based on purely cloud-based technology. So when you say cloud-based technology, how the application will be accessible team? Simple. Cloud-based technology means any software that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. Cloud means what? Any software or the application that is hosted over the internet, that is called as cloud. So team, when any company buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. This is our Fusion applications team. Just in the form of URL team. No need to install the product or the application in our laptop or PC. That is the old traditional way of using the systems. No need to install anything. No need to maintain the server, networking, storage, data center, nothing. Client or a company can buy the product from Oracle. They can use that directly team. Everything will be maintained by Oracle on behalf of them. So in order to access the Fusion application team, we require user account team, user ID and password. That's all. Okay. So if you have good internet connection, that is sufficient to access the Fusion application team. This is what the application will deliver team. Any company when they buy the product from Oracle. So just if I copy this URL team in any of my browsers, go to any of the browser, Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, just paste that URL team and enter. Enter. Now see team, as I told, my passwords are auto saved. Directly it is logging in. But usually when you pass that team, it will be prompting us to this screen. When you pass the URL, you will be prompted to this screen team. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So this is the Fusion Applications team. No installation, nothing. It's a web-based application team. That is what cloud-based technology means. When you pass the URL in your browser, it will prompt us like this team. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. The only thing is we require our user account. See, user ID and password. If I give them and if I click on sign in, then I could able to access the Fusion applications team. So when any company buy the product from Oracle team, the application will be delivered just in the form of web link URL. So before entering into the system, I will introduce to you some of the jargons. Jargons means terminologies that we have to use in the real time. I know many of you will be manipulating your experiences and you will be joining the companies going forward. In real time, what will be the naming conventions or the terminologies that in the organizations will be used for referring the Fusion applications team? We have different names to call the Fusion applications team. In our regular layman English, if you ask me, team, we can call it in our day-to-day life when we're speaking with your friends or family, whatever the type of English we use, we can call this as just URL, or you can call it as web link. Huh? These are regular terminologies, team. You can call it as URL. You can call it as web link. But professional terminology to refer Fusion applications or to call Fusion applications team, we call it as instance, environment, server, okay, or tenant, okay, or pod, platform on demand, right, team? We have different names that we can call the Fusion application, because team, these terminologies you should know. In real-time companies, when you join team, you will be hearing from your colleagues these type of terminologies to refer Fusion application. We should not call it as, hey, just give the URL of that client. No, you have to call, can I have the instance of that client? Can I have the environment of that client? Can you please share me the tenant access or server access, like that? Even yesterday, when sharing with you the course features team, what I kept here, 5 months of private and public cloud instances, I told you, correct? Instances means what? Server, that Fusion application team. So these are the different names that we can call the Fusion applications team. We can call it as a instance, we can call it as a environment, we can call it as a server, tenant, pod. Pod means what? Platform on demand. Pod means. So these are the different names we can call team. And one more important point I want to tell you. What is that team? See, in real-time projects, once you start your employment with any company, sometimes team, you might be asked to work for multiple projects team, particularly if you're in support project, you have to work for multiple projects also, 2-3 projects company will map you. How you will understand team, which application is belonged to which client? Is there any difference that in the URL you can identify? Example, I will tell you team, 3 clients are there, company A, okay, company B, company C. So these are the 3 clients team that you are working in the in your office, in your company. 3 projects you got mapped with 3 companies. They are company A, company B, company C. 3 clients team. So what is the difference that we can observe in the URL from client to client? From client to client team, in the URL, these 4 characters team, after login, we have what? EQJZ. Here what we have? EQJZ. This one team. See, this is my URL, right? In the URL team, these 4 characters, EQJZ, company to company, when Oracle selling the product in the URL, you will be having the difference to this thing team, EQJZ. For another client team, I might have, in the place of EQJZ, here I might have something like GTFR I'm giving as of now. Then for some other client team, you will be seeing here the 4 characters as, okay, See team, this is very important thing to understand team. When you are working in the real time, client to client, how the application URL will be differed means when Oracle selling the product team in the URL, that is in the instance or environment team, these four characters will be differed from company to company team. So for every organization, when Oracle selling the product, they will maintain the unique code for their environment team. So these four characters, we call them as pod number. What is that team? POD number. POD number. Platform on demand. Some of you might get a question. Are Kumar, these are in characters format. You are telling in number. That's what team. They're in characters G, T, F, R, E, Q, J, Z, H, J, S, D. But we call it as pod number team. From client to client, the pod number will be unique team. So by looking at that four characters, we can understand, okay, this instance is related to this company, this client. This instance is related to this client. This instance is related to this client. Like that, you can identify team. In every application team, four characters pod number will be deferred team. That is one thing you have to observe carefully. Okay. And then team, one more I want to tell you before entering into the application team. See, when we are in the project implementation team, now I am using the training environment team. So that is why at the end, I am seeing it as oracledemos.com. In the URL, see what I have? oracledemos.com team. But in real time, you will be seeing it as oraclecloud.com team. So if it is a real-time application of any client team, you will be seeing login / your pod number, and at the end you will see as oraclecloud.com team. And this DS/FA, what is this? Oracle will maintain their data centers across different regions team. In Asia Pacific, we have data center team. In North American region, they have data center. Across the world, they have many data centers team. So this application hosting from which data center? This is the data center code team, DS/FA means. So like that, they will be giving the application URL also team, right? So when you are working in the real-time project, having the understanding of these basic things is very much important team. So client to client, you will be finding the difference in the pod number, right team? And then in real time, you will see at the end coming as oraclecloud.com. But our training instances team, you will be finding it coming as demos.com. Means these are demo applications team. For training purpose, we will be using them. But in real time, you will see the environment coming as Oracle Cloud. Now, even when it comes to the application access, today, when we are going to share the application access to you, what I told you yesterday, you will be getting private and public cloud instances team. It means we will share you both. One demo instance we will share to you, and also our private server also team. It will end with oraclecloud.com. In tomorrow's class, I will tell you. Today we will share them. In tomorrow's class, I will tell which one to use for what purpose and all team. But these are the basic understanding we should have when we are working in the Fusion applications team. These are the different names we can call the Fusion application, and client to client in the URL, this pod number will be deferred team. And we have some more concepts here to know team. Whenever a client buy the product from Oracle team, they will be getting by default with two types of environments team. One is production environment and the other one is test environment. And on top of that, if any additional environments client want for the developmental activities team, dev environments they will apply for. They will subscribe for. But that is too early to understand team. What is production, what is a test environment, and what is dev environment? In our workshop session on implementation project, I told you, right team, from the point of placements, we are going to explain you Oracle real-time project implementation, like what are the different phases we have, from project management plan, kickoff meeting, as is studied, to be studied, till go live and hypercare support. When I'm going to take the workshop session team, here I'm going to explain you about that. Oracle Fusion environment team. What is production environment? What is a test environment, development environment team? Because that is too early to understand team. What are they? We can discuss later. But as of now, in this initial demo session, I want these basic things everyone to understand team. Now, let us try to log in into the system and check it out team. What are the basic home screen functionalities we have in the system? Okay, so in order to access the Fusion application, user ID and password is required. Now I'm using my user ID and password team, but how you will be getting the user ID and password? How in the Fusion system the user accounts will be created? That will be the very first topic that we are going to start tomorrow team. So as of now, let me show you by logging in with my user credentials team. So when you pass the URL, you will be prompted to this screen, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So once you pass your user ID and password here team, if you click on sign in, you can able to sign in team. See, like every other application, like even Google Gmail or Facebook also team, when you are logging in, if you forgot your username, if you forgot your password, you have the option, right? Forgot password. You can click on this team. Then you can give the register email. Means when your user account created team, email ID will be given, right? So pass that email and choose the option. You forgot your username or password, select that and submit team. System will send the password reset link or username link to you. This is forgot password option we have like every other application team. Then Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications. Why? Because team Oracle applications being used across many countries in the world. So Oracle, to give more localized experience team, they opting multi-language packs for the application. It means while you logging into the system only, you can select your language team. See, these are the different languages that Oracle application are supported team. Arabic, Spanish, let's say if I change to Greek, German team or Greek, whatever team if you want, French. See, everything got changed. The page options, user ID, everything got changed to French. See, if I want it in Arabic team, select Arabic. Now everything got changed to Arabic. See, when I log in, my entire application also will come in that language team. So while you logging in into the system only, you can select your language and you can sign in so that for your user, the application will come in that language team. That is the option we have here. Then once you pass your user ID and password, once you click on sign in, you will land upon team, the main home screen of the Fusion application. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Anywhere did I install it? Nothing. Just the URL I passed, the instance, user ID and password I given, I could able to access the Fusion application team. This is Fusion application. And this is the main home screen team. Good morning, HCM implementation 13. This is my user team, my user welcome greet message. This is, and then team, we have different sections here. See, we have sales. Under sales, again, we have different options coming up. Then Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk, right? We have sections and every section having many sub options under that team. Different icons I could able to see. And if I click on the right side arrow, I can see more sections also coming up here team. See, many sections are there. What are all these things team? This entire area that you are seeing, this entire area, we call it as springboard. What is that team? This entire area, we call it as springboard. Okay. Springboard, and each section, procurement is one section, my client group is one section, help desk is one section. Every section we call it as functional area in the system. What is that, team? Every section we call it as functional area. My client group is a functional area. Procurement is a functional area. Me is a functional area. Under each functional area, that is under my client group section, I have hiring, journeys, new person, absences, profiles, performance, goals, payroll, right, team? Under each functional area, whatever the icons or the sub options I am seeing here, team, we call them as sub-functional areas. This is a functional area. These are sub-functional areas, team. This is a functional area. These all are the sub-functional areas, team. And this entire area, we call it as springboard. And here, team, on the left-hand side, we have three lines. If I keep my cursor over there, what is that, team? It's a navigator. So whatever we see in the springboard, functional areas and sub-functional areas, here we are seeing it in a horizontal arrangement, team. See, all these are in a horizontal way. Correct, team? Each of the functional areas, sub-functional areas, team. The same options, whatever we have in our springboard area, team, you can check out in the navigator in a vertical way. See here, if I click on the navigator, team, see, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, whatever I have here, see, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, same details, see, one by one. And if I expand, team, my client groups, so whatever the sub-functional areas I have, hiring, journeys, new person, person management, spotlight, whatever I have here, see under my client, hiring, journeys. So team, you can access these things in your springboard and also in the navigator area also, team. So we call them as navigator, right? And then, team, here you are seeing a logo, team, coming as vision. See, this is a demo server, team, training server. That is why you are seeing the logo coming as vision, team. But in real time, our clients will ask us to keep their logo here, team. And they might ask for the theme customization. Kumar, I don't want this blue color. I want some other theme or some other customization. Yesterday, I told you, right, team? We have something called sandbox customizations, team. In this concept, we are going to learn about that, team, how to change the logo of the application, because client will ask, team, their logo to keep here. That all we can customize it accordingly in sandbox, team. So this is the main home screen of the Fusion applications, team. And then we have different icons here, team. What are they? Home button. Like our mobile, team, when we are on any tab or any screen, if you want to come to the main home screen in mobile, what we will do, we will click on home button. So you will come to the main screen. In Fusion system also, for example, team, I'm going to my client group, new person. If HR have to hire an employee, team, in Fusion system, they will come to a new person, hire an employee. In core HR module, I'm going to teach you all these things. For example, I came to this hire an employee task, team. Okay. Now, if I want to go back to the main screen, home screen, if I click on the home button, see my page is loading, team. I can go to the home screen, team. So be on any page. If you want to redirect to the main home screen, team, you have a home button available here. You can click on home button. And then, team, we have a star. What is this, team? Favorites and recent items, team. See, basically, even in our Google Chrome or Firefox also, we have bookmarking concept, star. Anyone know this bookmarking concept? If any website, if you want to save for your future references, you can bookmark that tab, right, team? Similarly, within Fusion application also, any screens, any transactions or any tasks, if you want to bookmark, you can bookmark, team, as a favorite here, first of all. This is favorites and recent items team. You can add, for example, team, I have one employee who is a HR in the organization team. Every day when he come to office, his duty will be logging into the system and hiring all the employees who joined that day, who selected for that day team, like my client group, new person, and every day that person will come to this task team, hire an employee. So what I can do team, that person can add this task as a favorite team. How? Go to the task first of all, which you want to add. Now click on star button, favorites, click on add to favorites team. So this is the task, hire an employee. You can create new folder team here, something like my daily routine tasks, something like that. I'm creating a folder team. Under that folder, this hire an employee task I'm saving team. Okay, save and close. Now T team, the very next day when he come to the office, he no need to go to my client group, new person, hire an employee. Simply if you go to his favorites team, the folder my daily routines, hire an employee. Directly he can jump into that task team. See, hire an employee task. It means what? Your most frequent screens that you will be navigating, you can add them as your favorite team. So that directly you can pick up your task from here. Then similarly, we have one more concept called recent items, which is similar to history button team. Even in our Google Chrome also, you have history, means recent websites, what you have navigated if you want to check out team. You have the history button here. Similarly, team, within Fusion system, with my login, what are the recent screens that I have navigated? I want to check out team. Then I can come recent items. See team, just now I came from hire an employee. Prior to that also I was on that screen. Prior to that new person, users section, role section. So recent items means team, with your login, what are the recent activities that you performed, which screens you have navigated, that you can check out team. This is favorites and recents button team. Watch list is not required team in HCM. When client also subscribed Oracle Fusion financials and supply chain that is related to them, you can ignore that team. Then bell icon. What is this team? See, we have a module in the system called workflows and approvals team. What is this module is about? I told yesterday. In any module, okay, any transaction happened, if you want to trigger that for an approval. For example, in absence module, today employee applied the leave in the system. It should go for concern manager for approval. So any module you take team, any transactions that triggering for an approval team, managers or the HRs will receive the approvals in the bell icon team. In the notifications, they can check what are the approvals waiting for on them. They can go into that, they can approve and reject, they can do team. This is the notifications bell icon team. And these things are not required. And you come to settings and action here. In your username, settings and action, you have team. If you want to sign out of the application, you can sign out team. And then we have couple of options to discuss here. But these are too early team. Once we start our training from tomorrow, you will be understanding one by one all these things what we have team. But before closing the topic for today, I want to show you something. What is that team? At any point of time, if you want to check what is the latest version of your Fusion application team, in the right side settings and action team, if you come to about this application, you can check out team. What is the current version of the application team? That is 24C, right? These are the basic home screen functionalities team we can talk about. So this is how the Fusion applications looks like team. So I will be concluding the topic here for today team. In tomorrow's session, we are going to start with our actual training team. Yesterday and today, we have the introductory things to discuss, the basic overview of the applications and all, and the background of the application team. From tomorrow, I'm going to start with the actual topics team. The very first topic that we are going to start tomorrow will be security administration. Why? Because team, any project implementation you go team, the first and the foremost understanding you should have is how to access the Fusion application. Here in security administration, we are going to talk about team user account creation, role management to the user, what access to be given to the users and all team. So starting from tomorrow, the first topic as part of our training that we are going to pick up will be the overview of security administration team. So I'm going to start with this topic tomorrow. Okay. So yesterday and today we completed with our demos team. So I can see in the list maximum participants when I walked through contacted me and they got enrolled team. We have actually 76 plus participants, but some of them not joined. But if anyone in this crew who not yet confirmed their enrollment, if anyone is missing yesterday, please do confirm with the enrollment team. So WhatsApp community already created. Whoever the people enrolled, some of you have lately enrolled late night yesterday and early morning today. For them, we have not shared access so far. But for remaining people, you might be receiving the emails team. Please check in your spam folder also once in your email inbox. You will be receiving the access mails today and you will be added to WhatsApp community. So by end of the day, we will be completing all the enrollment procedures and we will be completing all these access releases and adding the people to the WhatsApp group and sharing the application access and material access also team. So starting from tomorrow, you will not be getting the meeting links in the WhatsApp directly. Only in your community, you will be finding the class meeting link. So only enrolled participants will be there in that team. Okay. So I request if anyone else yet to enroll team, please complete the enrollments team. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be given with the meeting link. But as such, I have some topics pending yesterday. We continue demo today also team. But from tomorrow, regular classes will be starting up and only enrolled participants strictly will be allowed. Remaining people, admin will be strictly removing team. So any questions as such in today's discussion, online people?
Yeah, hi Kumar, Suresh here. Like
Suresh?
you just mentioned that Springboard will be we'll be getting the access directly to Springboard, or do we have to provision any roles for this access to all the subsections or functional area?
Required. That is what I'm going to start with. Security, why I'm taking the topic initially means that is a reason. Based
Okay,
upon the access we giving to this user only, what all functionalities he can see, he will be getting.
depending on the roles, right?
Roles, yes.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. So any other questions, team, with respective to certifications or knowledge repository or basic introduction to application? Any questions in today's session? Hello,
Kumar, is
Ms.
this,
Rekha.
yeah, is this in further, if we'll get a job, in this only we'll work on, right?
You'll be working in the same
Yes,
application.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Sumaya Fatima, how to enroll? Sumaya, please share your WhatsApp number in the chat, or else I think our admin team sharing the Google form. You can please drop your details in the Google form so that our team will reach out to you today. Okay. And any other things in the chat? Sumit will be getting only one attempt to. Yes, Sumit, for certifications, only one attempt for every module. And dumps need to give. Yes, dumps will be giving. Sunil, I'm excited for this course, but I have to drop. Probably will contact and enroll. Okay, Sunil, no problem. Any questions? Shanawaz, I will connect with you after 9:15 because I have another session after this. After 9:15, I will connect with you regarding some requirement you are bringing up. Okay. And
Sure, sir. No problem.
yeah, hope security console will be part of. Yes, tomorrow the topic is related to that only, Venkat. We will be starting with security administration means we are going to talk about security console only. User account creation, role management, how the access to be provisioned to the user, that all. Today you will be getting Raghav. See, materials, usually what we will do is module by module, I will be sharing with you. Rather than giving the entire dump and making you confused, module by module, I will be giving to you. So today you will be getting in the WhatsApp community. Okay. So that's all for today, team. If no questions, I will conclude for today. Kranti security will go, not overview. It will be very in depth. I'm going to take up 5 classes on security only. Okay. And will we be getting user access today? Yes, you will be getting today. Yes, Suresh?
Kumar, you said like we have to do certification in the particular link, right? There will be like marlan.oracle.com. We can do over there as well, right? Regarding certifications.
Not Marlan, education.oracle.com is a website. Even there also you can book the exam directly.
Okay, because in my company I got that
Here you have something, education.oracle.com.
okay,
See?
signon.oracle.com.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rohit, I want to enroll. Rohit, please fill the form, Rohit. Hope you have the access so that team will reach out. Sumaya and Rohit, please fill the form. Okay, so I'm just sharing it again. Please access that. Or else you can reach out directly to our support numbers as well. You can see on the screen here, 8179563510. Okay. So right team, thank you everyone. I will conclude here for today. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll start with our regular concepts team with security. Thank you everyone for joining team.